One of the biggest challenges in starting a side hustle is time. Most people already work long hours, and the last thing they want is to spend their evenings building websites, writing emails, and trying to figure out how to drive traffic. That's why so many side hustles fail before they even start. Wi-Fi Cash Bot flips that script by making the process almost automatic. Instead of you staying up late trying to manage everything, the system runs for you. It's built with done-for-you affiliate campaigns, pre-built funnels, and a built-in traffic engine. Once it's activated, it works in the background, sending offers to real people while you go about your day or even while you sleep. That's the beauty of an automated side hustle. You don't have to be glued to a computer and you don't need advanced tech skills. You can run everything from your phone in just a few minutes a day while the system keeps working 24/7. For anyone who wants extra income without adding more stress to their schedule, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. If you're ready to let a system do the heavy lifting for your side hustle, check the link in my description and sign up for Wi-Fi Cash Bot today.